Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm excited to share all the knowledge that I've learned over these years in self-development, in self-help, in spiritual development. I've been trained as a hypnotist and a trainer of neuro-linguistic programming as well. So I've got a lot to share, a lot of free content here to share with everybody. So if you're into self-development, if you're into becoming a better person, and if you're into improving your results in life, maybe you want to up-level your psychic abilities. Maybe you want to solve your problems. Maybe you want to transform your life. If so, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to understand yourself and others, if you want to understand and overcome toxic relationships, if you want to increase your confidence and increase your influence in the world around you and with other people, if you want to crush overwhelm and stress, if you want to overcome imposter syndrome, perfectionism, or ADHD. If you feel like you're getting stuck in the mud and you really want to get unstuck and get moving, you want to get your wheels free and you want to start moving in life. If you want to become a master at manifesting the results that you want, the results that you truly deserve. If you want to find your purpose, your passion, if you want to find yourself, if you want to find true love, then this is the channel for you. At one time in my life, I created a life that I didn't like. I hated it. And I hated myself, and I just wanted out. And so what I did was I found Tony Robbins, and I was a teenager, and I started listening to Tony Robbins over and over and over again. And so that's when I really got into NLP. And I learned his strategies and started putting them into creating a life that I wanted. And so I created a better life for myself. And I'm constantly learning about hypnosis and learning new stuff for myself. And that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to learn, to grow as a person, become a better person, and then share that with the rest of the world. And my mission is world peace. And world peace is achieved one person at a time. It's an inside job. World peace is an inside job. So I'm sharing the tools that people can utilize to create peace within themselves. And so that's what my channel here is about. It's helping to achieve the mission of world peace by reaching out to each person and helping them with the tools they need to solve their problems and create a better life for themselves. And when they're creating inner peace with themselves, that they find true love with themselves, their authentic self, and they find out who they are, then they'll become a better person and they'll share that with other people. And it becomes infectious, and you share that with the rest of the world. And so this is all an inside job, one person at a time. This is all about self-help and helping people create a better life for themselves. So subscribe to my channel. I'm Jeff Broomfield. I'm a quantum hypnotist, and I do live sessions as well. But the focus on the YouTube here is helping people with the hypnosis videos. There will be recordings from client sessions you can see, so you can get an idea of how I do this stuff. There's going to be some free hypnosis sessions on here as well, so that you can utilize them, the recordings. Eventually I'm going to get into doing some live sessions on here as well. Some group hypnosis sessions for stress relief, maybe some past life regressions, who knows what kind of stuff. We're going to get into all kinds of stuff here. I also talk a lot about the law of attraction, so the art of positive thinking and creating the results that you truly want. So those are the kind of things that you're looking for. Then subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click that little bell so you get notified when I release new videos. So thanks for tuning in, and stay awesome. And until next time, have yourself a good one.